Namaste friends. Recently I got fever on 21st August 2023 this month. I bad one day, fever, running nose, cold, cough, headache. Second day on 22nd I ate bread and took medicines. Just I got little bit relief, but fever, running nose, cough, cold, headache continued. Third day on 23rd I remembered Dr.Manthena video. His video says fasting cures fever in 24 hours. Then I decided to do fasting. I watched 2 more times YouTube video, Dr. Manthena's YouTube video, and from 6 a.m. I started fasting. I drank warm water once in a while, 1 hour, 2 hours, once in a 2 hours. Due to fever, headache, cold, cough, I could not feel hungry. I used to sleep on bed. I became weak. So around 1:30 I got hungry. It's increased. Intensity of hungry is increased. Then I take honey, lemon juice along with the warm water every 2 hours until 8 p.m. But in the evening around 6, 7, 8 p.m. I got relief. Slowly I get sweating. I slept at 8 p.m. I did not take any medicine. I got good sleep. Morning 6 a.m. when I wake up, my fever is gone, headache gone, cold is gone, cold was gone, and I felt happy. I started walking. So Dr. Manthena said fever can be cured in 24 hours during if you do fasting. So I got cured, fever cured. Dear friends, and the next day on 24th I did juice fasting. Morning vegetable juice, next papaya juice, next every 2 hours, 3 hours grape juice and buttermilk, again papaya juice, and evening sugarcane juice. That's it. By the way, the stomach, intestine, digestive system clean. And from 25th, I started eating regular diet, my regular diet. Dear friends, Fever can be cured by fasting in 24 hours as per Dr. Manthena advice. Dear friends, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you for once and all. Once again, thank you one and all.